Are you a bedroom producer struggling with the technical aspects of mixing and recording music? Are you an artist working on your first album, but you just don't really know where to start? Hi, my name is Zach Beckett. I'm a digital audio major at Utah Valley University. Over the course of the next few weeks, I'm going to be releasing a series of video tutorials detailing exactly how I produce, write, record, and mix music. I know what you're thinking. Why trust me, right? I mean, there's thousands of other channels on YouTube that talk about mixing and writing music. To be fair, a lot of those channels are super good, so I'm just gonna link to them in the description and just get on with my day. Sound good? All right, see ya. No, okay, in all seriousness, I feel like I have a lot of good information to offer, and although I don't know everything, I feel like teaching you will be a good way for me to learn as well. And speaking of me not knowing everything, if I get something wrong, call me out on it, please. I want to learn just as much as you do, and I don't want to spread misinformation. So, yeah, if I mess up, tell me. I love explaining and teaching things to people. I enjoy helping others, don't get me wrong. I just think that it's less about helping them and more about me just liking to explain things. But, I mean, why else do people make how-to videos, right? I mean, money, like, that would be nice, but that's not really why I'm here, so let's just get right into it. Throughout these videos, I will be referencing a project I'm currently working on with my sister Savannah, who I'll introduce in the next video. The project is an 8-song long album that will tantalize the senses and bring a tear to your eye. Whoa, no, I'm not that pretentious. It's really not that serious. I just wrote a couple of cool songs for my sister and figured that this would be a good way to break down the music making process and explain it to people. I'm going to focus more on the technical aspect of recording and mixing music, so if that's what you're struggling with most, great, you've stumbled upon the right channel. In the first few videos, I'm going to briefly discuss album structure and songwriting, and then we're going to get right into the nitty-gritty of recording and mixing music. That's right, baby. I'm talking EQ, compression, delay, reverb, all that fun stuff. We're going to break it down. It's going to be fun. Well, maybe not fun, but it'll be informative. I currently use Logic Pro and Pro Tools, but it really doesn't matter which DAW you're using. All that matters is that you spend a lot of time in it. Makes sense, right? If you want to get good at something, spend time doing it. I didn't come up with this idea. I mean, you've probably heard of whatever, the 10,000 hour rule. 10,000 hours this, 10,000 hours that, blah, 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 blah. Just get to work. And we will, starting next week. Bye-bye. If you have any questions or whatever about whatever or anything, just leave a comment or a message and I'll either have the answer or point you in the direction of the answer. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, all that fun stuff, and I'll see you next week. Bye-bye.